Good evening guys, this is Ravi again. Okay, I'm just continuing my 19th December games. Just starting to record. I've just completed that Fox game. Let's play another. Okay, both the two games which I played earlier were Sicilian defense. Let's see now. Okay, I'm playing with Tulsi 5. Okay, I always want to go for exchange variation. I don't like complications. Hence, I always keep myself open to exchange variants. Okay, whenever it is a French defense or a Caracon, I always go for exchange variation because I like mostly the open games. Let's see what can it do. My next move is my bishop, the e3, because I can focus on this. I'll just do a pawn storm over here. Okay, there's nothing much which is happening. I can anytime I can do this. He will exchange, I will exchange. Oh man, something has gone wrong. I can do this. He will do pawn checkmate. Oh man, Ravi, you are gone, man. Butterfly. Okay, this was a loss. Good loss. Okay, Sicilian. That was my good loss. I did not see that pawn. Okay, let's continue. Oh man, what am I playing? I can play this, but again he pushes the pawn and I have to go back. Why should I make so complicated when I just go back? Okay, pawn push. I cannot play this because bishop into f7. When I take with my king, he can do a check by knight f6 and that's gone. I knew it. Okay, I have an option of pushing my pawn as well, but I don't like the variation because I am late in development. I cannot do anything much over here. Let's see. I'll just castle, that's my next move. And he can come with his pawn or knight or queen, I think. Okay, I'll just castle and then I'll exchange this pawn. I can take and knight into pawn, but I don't think he will give that opportunity for me. He can push the pawn, I can take. Okay, I have two more pieces on that b. Okay, he did not allow it. Okay. Okay, this pawn is hanging. He got my pawn. I did not saw that as well. Oh, he did not took it. Okay, let me do this. Just protecting my pawn. I don't think somewhere it is hanging, man. I think knight is gonna come over here. So let me get my knight before he does. Okay, something is missing. Something is missing. Okay, let me take this pawn. I have this exposed bishop. If I take this, what will happen if I do this? I'm not liking it at all. This position is very bad for me unless I go on time. Let's see. Knight into this. Here I have this knight pawn free for me on c1, c2. This pawn is free, but there is something which is happening over here. Bishop into pawn. Something is there. Oh. I'm not liking this bishop also, but he can do this. I don't like this pawn. What should I do? He will push this and he will come his bishop over there. He will play knight and then it is mate. Man. Okay. I don't like this fight. Okay, let me do this. We don't have any move for his knight. Okay, I'll just take this because the bishop is creating a lot of problem. And mate, man, what did I do? This is second game, Tulsi. Aha. My 2 game continuous in loss. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this is third game. I'm not sure if I'm playing right or wrong, but this guy's opening is making me nervous. Okay, I'm just playing very safe, but I don't know if that is right approach. His bishop is gonna come over here. Okay, again the same. If he takes, I'll take. Then it is a bishop coming. I cannot take this. I can take, but queen into pawn. If I do this, he'll take my bishop. Now I got it. His queen is free. If he moves anywhere, I can take his queen. And his knight is also hanging. Good. Butterfly. Good. This thing, I think, what can he do? He can do a check. He can give me a check. And yeah, that's a good move. Knight into knight check, and then later he can take this. Pawn into pawn, and he can take this, and my bishop is gonna come to d4. I think this is good move. Knight g3 is excellent move from my perspective. Oh no, then I have to take this because he can do a mate. If I don't take this knight, and if I take this, queen into h2 as mate. Okay, now I am a piece up. If I play accurately, I should be able to win no matter what. Unless I do something stupid. Okay, I'm just exchanging pieces because I'm not piece up, man. I thought I was. No, okay. Is there something which I need to look at? I think this is a good move. Okay. This pawn is hanging. Oh man, then rook will come. I don't know what I am doing. Okay. Okay, I am escaping, but I don't think that's a good idea over here. What is that he has? Okay, queen check. Oh, good. Check is there. I can take this pawn for time being. There's nothing much threat which I am able to see. Check hoga, check, rook check, knight check. I think, what is that I am missing? Is this? I will go for check. I'll first go for check, and then I can take this, but I'm seeing some serious threats over here. I can take this, that's not a big deal. I can do now, I can exchange. Within time limit, I think I can win. There's no threat at all. I can just go over here and take his queen. There are 25 seconds. Even though if he takes 2 rooks of mine, I'm far better. I think I need not worry much. There's nothing much which he can do in the limited time. I think I can escape in just those 30 seconds. Okay, he wants to try something different. Let me do this. I have one check for him for time being. Okay. Man, am I going to get mated or what? 20 seconds, 12 seconds. Whatever I'm doing, I'm losing.